Stop studying programming. Yeah, I said it. Seriously, close the tutorial, close the playlist. You are not learning, you are collecting YouTube certificates. You have watched so many coding videos, you could probably teach a course. Because if you are watching this video after binge watching tutorials all week, memorizing syntax, rewriting notes you will never read again, you are literally stuck in the worst trap a developer can fall into. The tutorial hell. React Basics, React Advanced, React in 12 minutes, and your favorite I built Netflix clone in 3 lines of code. You are studying programming just like if you are studying maths and physics just by reading it. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. You don't become a programmer by learning concepts. You become a programmer by building things. You can watch 50 hours of JavaScript tutorials and still freeze when it's time to write your own code. Why? Because your brain never learned how to struggle, debug, or think like a builder. You know what does you a programmer? Typing actual code with your own bare hands. Not copying from a video, not following a recipe, not watching something at 3x speed because you are a productive god. No, you need to open a file and start suffering like the rest of us. When you learn something new, use it immediately. Don't just watch someone create CRUDs. You want to learn how to do a CRUD? Great, write 50 of them. You want to understand APIs? Awesome, break 5 of them and then cry. You want to master a concept? Perfect, code it and spend 3 days questioning your life choices. Break them, fix them, break them again. You'll be forged just like a steel in the hottest furnace. Pick tiny problems and solve them every day. Not big projects, not perfect apps, just small, messy, realistic problems. Write a script that renames files, make a function that sorts your playlist, build the dumbest calculator ever written. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you wrote it. Stop waiting to feel ready. Nobody feels ready. Every real developer is googling, debugging, guessing, failing, and fixing constantly. That's the job. Accept the frustration. The moment you get mad at your code is the moment your brain is learning the most. If you're not stuck, you're not improving. Commit to this road. For every hour you spend studying, spend at least 2 hours coding. Minimum. Because studying makes you know programming, but practicing makes you become a programmer. Your brain learns nothing when things are easy. But the moment you hit an error, so cursed that makes you consider farming alpacas in the mountains, congrats. It's the moment you are learning it. So close the next tutorial in your playlist, close this video, yes, even this video. Open your editor and start building something, anything. Start building. Well, this was the video. Consider subscription at the channel and hit the like button if you liked it. Thanks, love you guys, see you soon.